In the country is claiming the lives of loved ones. It's destroying families forever. The emotional, financial and caregiving void the loss creates is of course harrowing. And here's a report on the secondary victims of this pandemic.
Perished. A monster swallowed grandparents, parents, spouses, children and siblings.
During this second wave of coronavirus, the spread of this infection is tremendous and human devastation is also being reported. There is one such family in Pune's Dhanori area who has lost 4 beloved ones.
47-year-old Arun Gaikwad lost his wife, 2 brother-in-laws and mother-in-law to COVID in just 15 days. Last month, they all had assembled for a service in remembrance of the family head who died in January. Soon, they all tested positive, and 4 of them passed away in just 2 weeks.
आणि 30 तारखेला तर त्या कार्डियक अरेस्टमध्ये ऑफ झालं, म्हणजे एकदम गेल्या म्हणजे संध्याकाळी डॉक्टरांनी सांगितलं की ते आता नाही आहेत म्हणून, त्यांना कार्डियक अरेस्ट आलं.
A family devastated overnight in Ahmedabad. A wife, a daughter and a mother in mourning. Megha Ajmera is shaken. Her 40-year-old husband died of the virus after spending 10 days in the hospital.
उसके सपनों को पूरा तो करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि उसके पापा की जो इच्छा थी वो मेरे पे डाल के गए. वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो मैं 100% मेरी तरफ से 100% पूरी करूँगी, और मुझे उसके लिए पता है कि भगवान मेरे साथ है. इवन मेरे पति सब जगह मेरे साथ ही है, वो मुझे कहीं अटकने नहीं देंगे. कुछ भी ऐसा लगता होगा तो वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं अच्छी सी राह दिखाई देंगे.
A study in North America in July last year estimated that for every person who dies of COVID-19, 9 close family members are affected. Among the potential losses is also the loss of financial and caregiving support. A student in Delhi, 30-year-old Amit Prasad, is trying to come to grips with the death of his father, a security guard who succumbed to COVID-19 only a week ago. For the young man, the biggest worry is to provide for himself and his sister, as their mother also died long back.
सर, तो मैं तो ऐसे ग्रेजुएशन कर रहा था दिल्ली से, तो अभी सर तो देखेगी सब कोरोना बढ़ गया तो सब पढ़ाई रुक गया सर. तो बहुत सा फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सर कि कैसे क्या करना है. अब तो मेरे ऊपर आ गया ना सर पूरा जिम्मेदारी.
4 deaths in a family in 11 days. A 67-year-old retired teacher, his wife, son and daughter-in-law died of COVID. All the adult members are gone. They are survived by 2 young girls aged 8 and 6 who have now been sent to their aunt in Bareilly.
परिवार में सिर्फ 2 बच्चे बची हैं, जिनकी आयु लगभग 6 वर्ष और दूसरे की 8 वर्ष है. उन दोनों बच्चों को उनके परिजन यानी उनकी बुआ जो बरेली में रहती हैं, उनके यहाँ भेज दिया है.
The secondary victims of the pandemic, their grief magnified by the helplessness in not being able to save their loved ones. Bureau Report, India Today.